I was wondering how do you go about getting your arrears from your child support when the kids, one of the kids are already 22 years old. He almost owed $20,000 in arrears. How do I get this money?
Okay. So I know you're having trouble hearing. So the question is, she's got a child who's 20-something years old. She's been owed child support from the past, or whoever is supposed to be paying that. So she's wondering, how do you go back and receive that money or go after that money? It's basically in arrears.
If you're owed child support, whether your child has reached the age of majority, which is 19 in the state of Alabama, you can go back and collect that money. You have to go back to the place where the divorce was granted or the child support was ordered, whatever county that may have been. That's where you have to start, and you are entitled to that money being paid to you. And I would go back first to where you were and look and see how long ago the case has been. If your child is in their 20s, like I said, you can still get that money, but you're going to have to go back to where the case was actually begun and where the order was issued.
Jeff, can she get a garnishment on the child's father's wages in that circumstance?
She can. She would have to go back and still get the garnishment put in place. It depends on how long it's been since the person that's supposed to pay has paid. And at that point, the garnishment, certainly you can put a rock on their check, as we like to say, at that point, where they can have to pay you what they owe you. But that's a good way to get paid, is to put the garnishment out there.